This is what you painted last time. Yep. Okay. Well, not too bad. I know we went into this with no expectations. We're kind of going to do an abstract piece. And I said that if you had any ideas, to go for it. So, what's your idea here? Well, I went in thinking we could just create a very simple piece for an interior designer to hang on the wall. But it turned out a little bit differently. It did turn out a little bit differently. Let's take a closer look and see what's going on. All right, well, it's a ballerina shoes, some dress that looks relatively incomplete. There's a fanciness covering the breasts, and then we have a man. It's a man's face. I mean, right? That's a man's face. Be honest here. Did you mean to paint a man's face? No, I was honestly really trying to paint a female face, and it just came out far more masculine than I wanted to. Is this a bad thing? Absolutely not. This is an awesome thing. This is an opportunity. So you tried to paint a very beautiful dancing woman. It turns out to be much more masculine than you would have liked. And now you're saying that we can take this as an opportunity. Explain. Well, as we were just going to paint a frivolous piece for somebody to hang on a wall, we have an opportunity to say something about what's happening in the year 2022 here in the United States of America and around the world, which is a great acceptance of transgender people, gender fluid people, heterosexual, homosexual, and all these other variations. So because of this accident that happened, we, as lots of people in art do, can just spin it and make a painting that addresses this subject matter. So you fully admit that this was a mistake, but you're going to try to pass it off to people like you have this ingenious idea and are a commentator on current events in our world. Is that right? Yeah, more or less. I'm going to do that. But the idea still came to me, so I'm going to still take credit that I'm commenting on this movement. Don't try to knock me down. I'm not trying to knock you down, man. Just in case another artist is watching this, I just want to explain to them that not all my ideas are ingenious as I pretended they were in the past. Like sometimes I just painted a painting and then made up a cool title, and then I'm like, oh wow, now everybody's going to think that I'm such a deep thinker, when really, a lot of times, it's just a mistake that we roll with. And roll with it we shall. And roll with it we shall. Without any further ado, let's see where the heck this piece is going to take us. Ready? Go!